So I made a video about how I brought drone from Dubai to India, and a lot of people started asking me questions. I got a lot of Instagram DMs, WhatsApp calls, even a lot of comments on that video. I thought to make a new video and to collect all the questions and make Q&A session. Hi, I'm Rakesh. Welcome back to another video. So this video is a Q&A session about how to import your drone from Dubai without getting caught by customs and without breaking any rules or regulations. Big title. Let's start with the question number one. Why is the drone import banned in India? The drone industry is rising rapidly. There's a lot of potential, and Indian government saw it, and to pressure our engineers and our tech team to make good drones, this ban was implemented. A lot of startups came to rise, and they are making really good amount of drones, even though they are not still there yet, but we are getting close. And also DJI is a Chinese company. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज बैंड एंड व्हाट इज नॉट बैंड? इंपोर्टिंग ऑफ ड्रोन इज बैंड, लेकिन ड्रोन के पार्ट्स इंपोर्ट करना बैन नहीं है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली ड्रोन बनाने के लिए कुछ पार्ट्स लगेंगे एंड देर आर लाइक गुड ICUs एंड द ग्रीन कलर लुकिंग बोर्ड्स विच आर नीड टू बी imported from China. Next question, are people getting caught while importing drones? Yes, lot of people are getting caught while importing drones. Just go on Google and search for customs caught drone at airport in India, and you will get lot of articles to see like how customs are catching people who are trying to import drones. But there is a catch. Next question, can I bring drone? Yes, you can bring drone. Can I import drone? No, you can't import drone. Why are you so confusing? Sorry, here's the thing, importing is banned. Importing means like going to another country, buying a drone, coming to India and selling it for money. We are not doing that. We are going to a different country, we are buying a drone, it's ours, we are coming back, it's still ours. That's not importing, and we are doing it for one drone. We don't have the package, the box is open, it's unsealed. So that's the difference between importing and bringing drone. Everybody gets so scared when they hear that importing is banned in India of drone and all that stuff. Next question, is it really affordable to buy drone outside India? Yes, it's really affordable, और इसका main reason है जो custom clearance और importing tax, ये दोनों चीजें जब किसी electronics पे लगती है तो वो कंज्यूमर को पे करना पड़ता है. सो वी आर द कंज्यूमर्स एंड वी हैव टू पे इट अ लॉट. दैट्स व्हाई एनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स व्हाट एवर यू बाय इन इंडिया इट्स एक्सपेंसिव, बट इफ यू आर buying it in outside countries, they have their own good tax rules, so it's like affordable to buy there. Next question, is it a original product sealed outside in Dubai? Yes, just because वो सस्ते में मिल रहा है इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि वो फेक है या फिर सेकंड हैंड चीजें हैं. It's actually genuine products, and you can check it also on going through website. There are few methods to check it. Next question, how did you brought the drone in India? I went to a trip. I was hoping to fly a drone there, so I purchased a drone. Thankfully I didn't fly the drone because I didn't knew how to fly it. I didn't have license, I didn't have any permissions, so I just unpacked it there, I put it in a flight और मैं इंडिया को रिटर्न आ गया. That's how I brought my drone. Next question, do I need WPC license? Again, WPC license is business related, commercial use के लिए है. कोई importing कर रहा है, then they need a WPC license. We are not importing, we don't need WPC license. Next question, do I need drone flying license? No, to buy any drone, even to buy a vehicle, you don't need a license. You just have to buy it, you can register it to your email address and you can fly it. If your drone is about to 50 grams in India, then you have to get a license and register and everything. But if it's below to 50 grams, you don't have to do it. Next question, where to keep drone in flight? So the drone without batteries goes in the check-in luggage, जो suitcase हम दे देते हैं airlines को, like ये डिक्की में डाल दो, like that. In that, and whatever is with batteries, remote and all the, if you are buying a fly more combo, देन जो बैटरीज और रिमोट है वो आपके साथ बैग में आपके कैरी इन लगेज में आएगा, cabin luggage में आएगा. Next question, were you scared while buying or bringing drone in India? Yes, I was scared, and actually you know what happened. Why don't you watch the entire video here, how I almost lost my luggage while bringing drone from Dubai to India. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you have any more questions, comment below. I'll make a new video if there are new questions. Thank you for watching and travel safe.